One of my last questions is, of course, to you, Anil, and everybody here, is that you have done a lot of international projects. Priyanka, you have done a lot of international projects.
I've also done international projects.
क्या कर रही हो शाम को?
डोंगरी, वड़ा, चूना भट्टी.
अभी आगे देखो मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ.
वर्सोवा, आराम नगर 2, yes.
Google it. Mumbai jokes, we who live in Mumbai are like, hey, and everybody is laughing. People outside like,
What was that?
Chuna Bhatti? Jaspal? No. No. So I know they're really bad. I know, but you know, Hollywood films. Once upon a time, a Hollywood film will not release when there is a bigger Bollywood film releasing or an Indian industry film releasing. But now things are changing. I mean, suddenly they've become. There's a Fast and Furious 7 that comes in, while there's and does so well. Avengers comes in. People are talking about that film. It's being dubbed into 3, 4, 5 languages, you know, and makes a lot of money. And do you think that we now need to be more cautious about what's happening and make sure that our cinema actually improves the kind of films that we are making? So that, because content is king these days.
No, you see the thing, if you see, you know, the films which are really doing, international films which are doing well, are the big action films. You know, the films, the scale is, the budgets are about $300 to $350 million. Now it's gone up to $300 million.
Yeah.
The budgets. 250 is, you know, 100 million is like a small film. But these films are really, really, and so these big scale films, obviously we cannot go to that. I think if I can predict, and you know, it will be in 2050 that we will be able to make films which are about $300 and $350 million, and it's going to happen over here also. And the business also is going to be the study which they have done, that it will be going to overtake China also where box office is concerned.
Yeah.
It's going to happen.
Yeah.
Obviously now China is slowly becoming, you know, it's really the box office is really becoming bigger and bigger and bigger, and hopefully India is going to catch up very, very soon. But if you see the dramas and the other films also, they don't get us, you know, the kind of you know, openings, or people don't go and see those kind of films. It's only Fast and Furious, Mission Impossible, these kind of films, which do well all over the world. And that's what they're doing. These are the films which even the studios are backing, and that's one of the reasons that even over there also, you know, the big good content is only happening on television. That's the reason all the actors, big stars, superstars are working on television.
You're doing
And
television.
here, the biggest of our country is working now and going to change the landscape of Indian.
My name is Alex Parrish. I'm the wow wow Quantica wow.
Wow. No, I do think that, you know, the audience has been exposed to, because of the internet, the world has become such a small place. And the audience has been exposed to global cinema and global entertainment, global pop culture. So they know that, listen, we don't want to watch stupid stuff. Don't take our intelligence for granted. And if you see the pattern in the last few years, content-driven films are doing so much better. Films which, whether they're small or big, whether they have a male or a female lead, whether they have a big star or a newcomer, the fact that you're telling a good story are the films that will do well. People don't want their intelligence to be taken for granted. And I think filmmakers, especially whether it's Bollywood or Hollywood, react to the demand that exists. So right now the demand is for good content films, and the supply will be that. There's no way films that are not good enough will be successful.
Yeah, I hope so. See, the demand is there. Clearly, content-driven films are working, but our writers aren't doing too well. You know, they aren't empowered, they aren't paid enough, they aren't valued enough, they aren't motivated
writers
enough.
In this country are not valued
So
at all.
something needs to happen on that front if content has to change in a big way. You know, we really need to start giving our writers the value and respect that they deserve and should get in order to be motivated to come up with good, solid, original content.
Shivani?
I agree with this, and also probably will take some time to match up to a scale of an Avenger or something like that. But emotionally, we have far richer content here, you know, which can really come out and which should, but in the right channel, in the right way, because that's the USP that we have.
So I don't think it's fair to compare English films to a language film, because English breaks the barriers around the world. In every country, English is a universal language, so it's illogical to even try and compare. Obviously, in every country in the world, they will watch an English film, but Hindi films, despite of the fact that we are Hindi and not everybody around the world speaks it, we have broken barriers into countries like Germany, Japan, countries. That too, we are 1/5 of the world's population. But besides that, I think that Hindi films just have so much joy and
it just comes right from
there's something just
comes right
in abundance in Hindi films.
It's a little over the edge, but then that's how it is.
Well, thank you so much. Thank you so much for your words. The film is out on the 5th
of June.